Yo, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to understand Experian credit factors. Now what are Experian credit factors? So basically these are the elements that affect your credit scores, which is calculated based on information in your credit reports. Now the five main Experian credit factors include payment history, credit utilization, credit age, and credit mix, as well as new credits. Now as you can see, these have different percentage beside them, because that's how much they affect your credit scores. So for payment history, your history of making on-time payments, late payments, and any account sent to collection, that's going to make up about 35%. Credit utilization is going to make up like 30%, and that's how much your available credit is being used, including credit cards balance and loan amounts. Credit age takes up about 15%. That's the length of time that you had credits, including the age of your oldest account and the average age of all of your accounts. Credit mix takes up about 10%. This is the variety of credit types that you have, such as credit cards, loans, and mortgages. And new credit takes up also about 10%, and that's the new accounts, inquiries, and credit applications, which can indicate new credit risk. Now, when it comes to understanding credit factor codes, you need to know that Experian uses a coding system to indicate the credit factors affecting your score. These codes include 01 to 09, and that's the payment history factor, such as late payments on accounts sent to collections. The 10 to 19, that's the credit utilization factors, such as high credit card balances. The 20 to 29, that's the credit age factors, such as a short credit history. Now 30 to 39, that's credit mix factors, such as a lack of diversity in credit types. And 40 to 49, that's new credit factors, such as new accounts and inquiries. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video, hope you found it useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.